Myself, Dr. A.H. Asmani, resident of Anand, working as a professor of mathematics at Vallabh Vidyanagar. Some days back, I had a problem with heart. Ultimately, it was identified as the problem of aortic valve. There was big stenosis, and then that valve was to be replaced. We chose EpicHospital, Ahmedabad. This hospital is very good hospital, and Dr. Anil Jain and his team gives services in this hospital. After coming here, I found that the hospital has very good infrastructure, doctors are very good. Also, the paramedical staff is very cooperative. They provide services 24/7 with smiling faces. Doctors, even though they are very senior in their field, they give answers to the queries raised by patient relatives. I found that this hospital has very good operation theatres, then rooms are very good in various categories. My experience overall is that this hospital works in the mission stated by them: excellent service with compassion. I will say goodbye to two things: my disease, that is the heart problem, and also to this excellent hospital. Thank you.